Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sigmund Wayne, and today I will read a story. This story is about Bear Snores On by Carmel Wilson and Jane Chapman. Let's begin. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds grow, but the bear snores on. Anna itty-bitty mouse, Peter Pat tiptoe, Creep goes in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too dark, too cold, too dark. So he lights swing with a small hot spark. The coals peep up, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, Who's there? And Hare hops in. Ho, Mouse, says Hare. Long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, Whiz slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttled by, sniff, snuff at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share? I brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A vole and a moth snuggle up through the floor. Then a wren and raven flutter into the door. Mo mutters, what a night! What a storm! Twitter wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear rot through. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnaws and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You sneak into my lair and you all had fun, but me, I was sleeping. And I have known. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, wait and see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun picks up on a crisp clear down, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snores on. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next week. See ya.